Another sleepy episode. Yeah, man. Um, I was almost falling asleep and kind of messing with the computer, and I noticed something. I noticed that on GBPAUD that the buyers and sellers are not moving sides. They kind of just stick to one thing, and it just kind of it keeps it going in that direction. They just completed a butterfly harmonic. No, this is on the daily. Okay. Butterfly pretty much is like a 42% on hitting this point and a 35% going all the way down. So um, I'm not betting that this thing is going to even close. No. Um, like, I think to myself, man, I want to short it. But then I realized, you know what? It's a little too biased. It won't break the 10%. See how this is just really lopsided. Um, I wonder if it had some or had a break, which is back in 21st, 21. Had that break, and also on the excuse me on a 3 hour, it's forming another bearish harmonic. So this is kind of telling me that it's taking another break, um, and should likely to continue up. All right, let's see. All right, see that actually started to come down. Click formed the harmonic, then formed another one. I completed that one really here, and um, it's a little disappointing for me to not for it to not start to move down here, which would have been great. But that's it. It's just not going to close those. It's going to come down later. I was searching. I think it was on the 1 week chart where I could see that there was another open harmonic up here, so that gave me that target. Um, we're looking at a potential 960 pip uh, move further um, into the upper level. I mean, head past the 2 point, which is just incredible. So that's basically what I'm seeing for that. I mean, uh, for, it's a breather, a little breather. So consolidation, all that. So yeah, that's that. This is a strong trend that should continue. So I went in for the buy off of the daily chart, weekly daily. Put it all together. And this is what I came up with. It's crazy how it continued past this point, that point, this point. It's just I'm surprised, but then again, not surprised. Yeah, no sell here, right? Uh, wants to do that, right? But yeah, right here's a strong resistance. Um, yeah. So Um, I love looking at these charts. Even as I fall asleep, I just love looking at them, seeing the behavior, seeing how they move. Just it's crazy. I think just a retest. This is what I love. So I'm gonna fall asleep just looking at charts, man. So here is just the example thing. It ended up pulling back, but that's fine. I don't care. That's cool. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you on the next one, and we'll get up in the morning and check these out for this week. Uh, so Thursday, you got Friday, you got going into the weekend. I found that my trades that I take earlier in the week are kind of rough. And I keep forgetting the saying that I've always said: trends don't start on a Tuesday. So obviously, if I just stayed away from the computer, only traded on Thursdays, it would be unbelievable. But I do tend to overtrade. But I don't know, it's kind of my style. It's not overtrade. It's overtrading if it's not your style. But since it's my style, it's what I've done. It's not overtrading for my style. So, all right, guys, I'll see you on the next one, and we'll look at some of the others um, that are going, and that's that. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget the subscribe button. Some of you are watching these and they're not subscribed, so hit the subscribe button, and I'll continue to make these kinds of videos where I can break down the trade and what I'm looking for and such. All right, peace.